Data normalization can boost model accuracy by over 25%. This is not science fiction. This is the reality of machine learning. In the vast universe of data, normalization is a key to unlocking the true potential of machine learning algorithms. It's like tuning a telescope to see distant galaxies with breathtaking clarity. But what exactly is data normalization and why is it so important? Imagine trying to compare the size of a planet to the age of a star. These measurements use different units and scales, making direct comparisons difficult. This is where data normalization steps in. Data normalization is a crucial process in machine learning. It plays a vital role in ensuring that our models perform accurately and efficiently. Without normalization, the data fed into the model can lead to skewed results and poor performance. It involves adjusting the values of numeric features to a common scale. This process helps in bringing all the features to a similar range, making it easier for the model to learn from the data. By doing so, we eliminate the bias that can arise from features with larger numerical ranges. Imagine having a dataset with features like age, income, and height. These features are essential for various analyses, but they come in different units and scales. These features are measured in different units. For instance, age is measured in years, income in dollars, and height in centimeters. Each of these units has a different range and scale. Age is in years, income is in dollars, and height is in centimeters. Without normalization, these differences can cause issues in the learning process of the model. Without normalization, features with larger ranges could disproportionately influence the model's learning process. This means that the model might give more importance to features with larger numerical values, leading to biased results. Imagine a giant's footprint next to yours. The giant's footprint is obviously much larger and more noticeable. It's easy to see whose footprint is bigger. The giant's footprint overshadows yours, making it difficult to compare the two accurately. But what if we wanted to compare the shapes of your footprints? The size difference would make it challenging to notice the subtle differences in shape and pattern. Normalizing the data is like shrinking the giant's footprint down to a comparable size. By doing this, we can make a fair comparison between the two footprints. Now we can clearly see the subtle differences in shape. This allows us to analyze the data more accurately and make better informed decisions. This can lead to biased results. When features are not normalized, the model might favor certain features over others, leading to inaccurate predictions. Data normalization ensures that each feature contributes equally to the model's training. By normalizing the data, we create a level playing field for all features, leading to more accurate and reliable models. Algorithm appeal. Why is this transformation so important? Many machine learning algorithms rely on distance calculations. These calculations are sensitive to the scale of the features. Data normalization levels the playing field. It ensures that all features are on a similar scale, allowing algorithms to learn effectively and converge faster. Think of it like training for a marathon. If you only run short distances, you won't build the endurance needed for the full race. Similarly, if an algorithm only sees data within a limited range, it won't be able to generalize well to new, unseen data. Data normalization helps algorithms go the distance. This leads to more accurate and robust models. It's a win-win situation. One common method of data normalization is min-max scaling. This technique scales the data to a specific range. Usually this range is between 0 and 1. This transformation is like fitting all your data points within a neat little box. Imagine you're baking a cake. You wouldn't just throw all the ingredients in a bowl without measuring. You'd use measuring cups to ensure the right proportions. Min-max scaling does something similar for your data. Min-max scaling preserves the relationships between data points, but it compresses them into a smaller space. Section 5. Z-score normalization. Embracing the bell curve. Another popular method is Z-score normalization. This technique centers the data around the mean, and it scales it by the standard deviation. The result is a distribution with a mean of 0 and a standard deviation of 1. Imagine you're trying to understand the distribution of heights in a population. Z-score normalization would tell you how many standard deviations away from the average height each individual is. This standardization allows for easier comparison of features with different units and ranges. It's like speaking a universal language that all features can understand. Section 6. Feature equality, a level playing field. Why is it so important to have all features contribute equally? Imagine you're trying to predict the price of a house. Factors like size, location, and amenities all play a role. But what if the size of the house was measured in square feet, while the lot size was measured in acres? Without normalization, the model might mistakenly give more weight to the lot size simply because it has a larger numerical range. Normalization ensures that both features are considered equally. It prevents any single feature from dominating the learning process. This leads to a more balanced and accurate model. Section 7. Data normalization in action. A real-world example. Let's consider a real-world example. Imagine we are building a machine learning model to predict customer churn for a telecommunications company. Our data set includes features like customer age, monthly bill amount, and tenure. Customer age might range from 18 to 80, while monthly bills could range from $50 to $500. Without normalization, the model might focus too heavily on the monthly bill amount. It might overlook subtle patterns in customer age or tenure. Normalizing these features would ensure that all three contribute equally to the prediction. This would lead to a more accurate and insightful model. Section 8. Beyond accuracy, the ripple effects of normalization. Data normalization is not just about improving model accuracy. It plays a pivotal role in the entire data processing pipeline, ensuring that the data fed into machine learning algorithms is clean, consistent, and reliable. This foundational step can significantly influence the performance and efficiency of the models we build. It also offers several other benefits. For example, normalization can make the data more interpretable, allowing data scientists and analysts to draw more meaningful insights from it. This can be particularly useful in collaborative environments where clear communication of data findings is essential. For instance, normalization can speed up the training process of many machine learning algorithms. When features are scaled to a similar range, it helps in reducing the computational complexity, making the training process more efficient and less time-consuming. By scaling the features to a similar range, normalization can help algorithms converge faster. This means that the models can reach their optimal performance quicker, saving valuable time and computational resources. This reduces the time and computational resources required for training. In large-scale machine learning projects, this can translate to significant cost savings and more efficient use of resources. Normalization can also improve the stability and generalization ability of machine learning models. Stable models are less likely to be influenced by minor variations in the data, leading to more consistent and reliable predictions. By reducing the impact of outliers and ensuring that features are on a similar scale, normalization can help models generalize better to new, unseen data. This is particularly important in real-world scenarios where the data can be noisy and unpredictable. This is crucial for deploying machine learning models in real-world applications. Whether it's in healthcare, finance, or autonomous driving, the ability of a model to generalize well can make the difference between success and failure. Data normalization is a fundamental step in the machine learning process. It ensures that the data is in the best possible shape for analysis and modeling, ultimately leading to more accurate, efficient, and reliable machine learning systems. Section 9. Data normalization, a stepping stone to machine learning success. In the ever-evolving landscape of machine learning, data normalization stands as a crucial pillar. It is the process of scaling individual data points to ensure they fall within a similar range, making it easier for algorithms to process and learn from the data. Without normalization, some features might dominate others, leading to biased models and inaccurate predictions. It is not merely a pre-processing step but a fundamental principle that underpins the success of countless machine learning models. By leveling the playing field, normalization ensures that each feature contributes equally to the learning process, enhancing the model's performance and reliability. By transforming data into a common language, we empower algorithms to learn effectively. This transformation involves techniques such as min-max scaling, z-score normalization, and decimal scaling, each with its unique advantages and applications. We unlock their true potential to make accurate predictions and uncover hidden patterns. Normalized data allows models to converge faster during training, reducing computational costs and improving efficiency. As we venture further into the age of artificial intelligence, data normalization will continue to be an essential tool in our arsenal. It bridges the gap between raw data and actionable insights, enabling us to build robust and scalable AI systems. It will empower us to extract meaningful insights from data and build intelligent systems that shape the future. From healthcare to finance, and from autonomous vehicles to personalized recommendations, the impact of well-normalized data is far-reaching and transformative. So, the next time you embark on a machine learning journey, remember the power of data normalization. It is not just a technical requirement, but a strategic advantage that can set your models apart in terms of accuracy and reliability. It might just be the key to unlocking your model's full potential. Embrace it, and watch your machine learning projects soar to new heights.